Welcome back to Hello Annie. Today we're going to make a Santa Fe chicken salad. Stay till the end because we are making wraps. I have 2 chicken breasts and we're going to make a spice wrap. Combine salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika and chili powder. Season the chicken on both sides, then rub some olive oil and let it marinate. For the dressing we need some sour cream, a little bit of mayonnaise, the juice of a lime, and then we are gonna add some salt, pepper, smoked paprika, cumin and garlic powder. Let's get some fresh herbs in it, some cilantro, I got some chives, and I got a serrano pepper, just a half of it, to add a little zest. Stir it all up and refrigerate until ready to use. Oh, I love that color. Fry your chicken over medium heat for 4 minutes on each side. This depends on the thickness of the chicken. Then you can put either water or some chicken broth. Cover and cook for 2 more minutes. This method will make the chicken super juicy. Let's assemble the salad. I got some nice greens, fresh corn, some sweet red bell pepper, black beans, some celery, and red onions. Let's add our chicken slices to it and drizzle some of that delicious sauce over. Then add your sauce, some more fresh herbs, and the salad is done. Enjoy the salad as is or make some delicious wraps out of it. For the wraps, warm burrito-sized flour tortillas, then layer with a few baked leaves of butter lettuce, some chicken slices, beans, corn, bell pepper, onion, and some avocado slices if you like. Spoon the dressing over. Some fresh herbs. And wrap it up tightly. Fold up the ends, then roll up the wrap. Cut your burrito in half. Serve with tapatio sauce or salsa if desired. Enjoy!